Building a supplier list has never been easier. When you are creating a purchase invoice, simply fill in the supplier name and phone number, and Elite Billing will automatically save them to your supplier database. To see the full picture, head over to the supplier page. If you need to update a supplier's contact info or details, you can edit them directly on this page. Here, you can track their entire purchase history, including the total number of purchases and your lifetime spending with the supplier. It's the smart way to understand your most loyal supplier and keep your records perfectly organized.